नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया चेयरमैन श्री CS Setty has proposed the establishment of a dedicated market infrastructure institution to ensure that funds borrowed or raised as equity by small businesses are used for their intended purposes. फ्रेंड्स, बैंकिंग अपडेट्स में बात करते हैं कि अक्सर जब बैंक्स मनी लेंड करते हैं तो किस पर्पस के लिए बारोवर लोन लेता है उसके लिए यूज नहीं करता है और मिसयूटिलाइज करता है। ऐसी बहुत सी घटनाएं आती हैं जहां पे कि जो बारोवर है वो बैंक्स का मनी लेकर मिसयूटिलाइज करता है। और इस बारे में स्टेट बैंक के चेयरमैन श्री CS Setty ने कहा है कि उनके इसके लिए एक प्रॉपर मैकेनिज्म होना चाहिए। स्पीकिंग एट द कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय सिक्योरिटीज एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया SEBI promoted National Institute of Securities Market NISM, Setty emphasized that need for a viable mechanism to track the end use of such fund। यानी कि जो बैंक फाइनेंस करता है उसका एंड यूज कंफर्म करने के लिए किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन की जरूरत है। We need a reliable system to monitor how these funds are utilized, ensuring they are directed towards their intended goals। A separate market infrastructure institution with the authority to track the use of borrowed or equity raised funds could address this issue। The proposal comes amid growing concern about the misuse of funds, especially by small businesses। The Reserve Bank of India has also highlighted the importance of monitoring the end use of funds। In March 23, the RBI directed lenders issuing businesses credit cards to ensure proper oversight of the fund usage। Reports have emerged about unsecured loans being diverted into high-risk area such as derivatives market, further underscoring the need for robust monitoring। Setty noted that such a platform would provide greater confidence to both lender and investors, potentially leading to more competitive pricing of the loan and the investment। एंड यूज को मॉनिटरिंग करने के लिए किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन की जरूरत है, इस पर SBI के चेयरमैन ने जोर दिया। दूसरा बैंकिंग अपडेट्स में है पंजाब एंड सिंध बैंक। द लीडर फॉर सुपरटेक टाउनशिप प्रोजेक्ट्स हैज रिजेक्टेड ए सेटलमेंट प्रपोजल लीडिंग द NCLT to take a final decision on the insolvency of the financially troubled real estate firm। The counsel of the Ram Kishore Arora, the suspended director of Supertech Township Projects, informed that NCLT that the bank had rejected the proposal। The NCLT order noted counsel for the appellant submits that they have received the communication from Punjab and Sindh Bank that the proposal submitted by the appellant is not acceptable। सुपरटेक टाउन के प्रोजेक्ट के संबंध में NCLT को उनके काउंसिल ने बताया कि पंजाब एंड सिंध बैंक ने जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज जो प्रपोजल दिया गया था सुपरटेक की तरफ से उसे रिजेक्ट कर दिया है। द 3-member bench of the NCLT led by chairperson Justice Ashok Bhushan stated that it would now have to make a final decision as the appeal has been pending for several months। The bench allowed a 1-week extension for the appellant to take further steps and scheduled the next hearing on January 23, 2025। Supertech Township project is currently working on the development of a group housing project called Golf City located at Yamuna Express in the Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh। The NCLT also confirmed that the previous interim order would remain in effect। During the hearing, the Home Buyers Association of the project raised objections stating that they did not agree with the Arora settlement proposal। Another group of the home buyers voiced their opposition to the insolvency proceedings, expressing support for the continuation of the project। सुपरटेक जो प्रोजेक्ट जो लफड़े में फंसा हुआ है, जिसमें सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत बैंकर्स के लिए, होम बायर्स के लिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।